Seekers, welcome to our step by step again. Happy Friday! So today for step by step, we are going to make a soccer ball. So what shapes do you see in the soccer ball? Alright, I see a circle and a hexagon. And those are like half hexagon. So today we're going to make a soccer ball together. First, get your marker or your pencil or your paper, okay? First thing we're gonna do is to make a circle. How many steps does it take to make a circle? One. I'm gonna make a circle with one step. All right, now we're gonna make a hexagon. How many sides does a hexagon have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides, so we're gonna have 6 steps. Alright, we're gonna start from a dot. First step, make a line, make a dot in the end, okay? Second step, make a line out, and then make another line out on the other side. Alright, now we're gonna make a line inside a little bit, and then we're gonna make another line inside a little bit, and then we're gonna close it. Alright, we made a hexagon. Now we're gonna make some little hexagons. You can start from the top, or you can start from the bottom. You can make one line, make 2 lines on this side. Alright, if this is a little bit hard, if you have a piece of paper, you can turn your paper around and put this side on the bottom so you can make a half hexagon on the bottom, but I cannot move my board, so I'm just gonna put it here, okay? Those are half hexagons. If you don't know how to make them on the side or on the top, just rotate your paper so they will be always on the bottom, okay? Alright, this is how we make a soccer ball. I know this is a little bit hard, but you can practice making a soccer ball at home during the weekend, okay? Bye guys, have a great weekend.